तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं गए? Why didn't you go to school? Why didn't you go to school? पेट में दर्द था. I had stomach pain. I had stomach pain. मेरा मन नहीं था. I didn't feel like it. I didn't feel like it. स्कूल में कोई टेस्ट था. There was a test in school. There was a test in school. अलार्म ही नहीं बजा. The alarm didn't ring. The alarm didn't ring. होमवर्क किया या नहीं? Did you do your homework or not? Did you do your homework or not? हाँ, अभी अभी किया है. Yes, just did it. Yes, just did it. नहीं किया, टाइम नहीं मिला. No, didn't get time. No, didn't get time. आधा किया है, बाकी बचा है. Did half, some is left. Did half, some is left. भूल गया था, अब करूँगा. Forgot, will do it now. Forgot, will do it now. कल करना है ना? It's for tomorrow, right? It's for tomorrow, right? तुम चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? कुछ सोच रहा हूँ. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. नाराज हूँ आपसे. I'm upset with you. I'm upset with you. कुछ नहीं, बस थक गया हूँ. Nothing, just tired. Nothing, just tired. कोई बात नहीं करनी. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. मूड ऑफ है बस. Just not in the mood. Just not in the mood. मोबाइल किसने लिया था? Who took the mobile? Who took the mobile? मैंने थोड़ी देर के लिए लिया था. I took it for a while. I took it for a while. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. शायद भैया ने लिया होगा. Maybe brother took it. Maybe brother took it. नीचे चार्जिंग पर रखा था. It was on charging downstairs. It was on charging downstairs. खुद ही गायब हो गया. It disappeared on its own. It disappeared on its own. तुम इतनी देर से क्यों आए? Why are you so late? Why are you so late? बस लेट थी. The bus was late. The bus was late. दोस्तों के साथ रुक गया था. Stayed with friends. Stayed with friends. टीचर ने रोक लिया था. Teacher made me stay. Teacher made me stay. रास्ते में बारिश आ गई थी. It started raining. It started raining. मैं तो टाइम पर निकला था. I left on time, really. I left on time, really. तुम्हारा बैग इतना भारी क्यों है? Why is your bag so heavy? Why is your bag so heavy? सारे सब्जेक्ट की किताबें हैं. All subject books are inside. All subject books are inside. नहीं पता, बस भर गया. No idea, I just filled up. No idea, I just filled up. टीचर ने एक्स्ट्रा बुक्स देने को कहा था. Teacher told to bring extra books. Teacher told to bring extra books. सब बच्चे भारी बैग लाते हैं. Everyone brings heavy bags. Everyone brings heavy bags. मेरा बैग है, मुझे ठीक लग रहा है. My bag, I am okay with it. My bag, I am okay with it. तुम इतना गंदा क्यों खेलते हो? Why do you play so dirty? Why do you play so dirty? क्या करूं, खेल ही ऐसा था. Can't help, that's how the game was. Can't help, That's how the game was. नहीं खेला गंदा. I didn't play that dirty. I didn't play that dirty. बारिश में फिसल गया था. I slipped in the rain. I slipped in the rain. सब दोस्त ऐसे ही खेलते हैं. All friends play like this. All friends play like this. तुम रो क्यों रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? किसी ने मारा मुझे. Someone hit me. Someone hit me. नहीं रो रहा, आँख में कुछ चला गया. Not crying, something got into my eye. Not crying, something got into my eye. हार गया गेम में. Lost in the game. Lost in the game. आपने डांटा ना इसलिए. You scolded me. You scolded me. मूड ही खराब है. My mood is off. My mood is off. तुमने खाने में से क्या निकाला? What did you pick out from the food? What did you pick out from the food? मिर्च निकाल दी. Took out the chili. Took out the chili. कुछ नहीं निकाला. Didn't pick anything. Didn't pick anything. टमाटर पसंद नहीं वो निकाला. Don't like tomato, removed it. Don't like tomato, removed it. जो अच्छा नहीं लगा वो हटा दिया. Remove what I didn't like. Removed what I didn't like. मुझे तो सिर्फ पराठा चाहिए था. I just wanted the paratha. I just wanted the paratha. तुम क्या देख रहे थे फोन में? What were you watching on the phone? What were you watching on the phone? कार्टून देख रहा था. Was watching cartoons. Was watching cartoons. कुछ नहीं बस स्क्रॉल कर रहा था. Nothing, just scrolling. Nothing, just scrolling. पढ़ाई का वीडियो था. It was an educational video. It was an educational video. गेम डाउनलोड कर रहा था. Was downloading a game. Was downloading a game. मम्मी आपने ही दिया था फोन. Mom, you gave me the phone. Mom, you gave me the phone. तुम बिस्तर क्यों नहीं लगाए अभी तक? Why didn't you set the bed yet? Why didn't you set the bed yet? भूल गया था. I forgot. I forgot. थक गया हो. I'm tired. I'm tired. आप ही तो बैठी थी उस पर. You were sitting on it. You were sitting on it. अब लगा रहा हूँ. I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. कल तो नहीं बोला था ऐसा. You didn't ask me yesterday. You didn't ask me yesterday. तुम हॉस्टल क्यों नहीं जाना चाहते? Why don't you want to go to hostel? Why don't you want to go to hostel? घर की याद आएगी. I'll miss home. I'll miss home. मैं अकेला नहीं रह पाऊंगा. I can't stay alone. I can't stay alone. वहाँ खाना अच्छा नहीं होता. Food isn't good there. Food isn't good there. मम्मी की चप्पल से दूर नहीं रह सकता. Can't live without mom's slipper. Can't live without mom's slipper. पापा की डांट याद आएगी. I'll miss dad's scolding. I'll miss dad's scolding. तुमने जूते कहाँ फेंके? Where did you throw your shoes? Where did you throw your shoes? सीढ़ियों के पास रखे हैं. Kept near the stairs. Kept near the stairs. फेंके नहीं वही रह गए. Didn't throw, just left them. Didn't throw, just left them. याद नहीं कहाँ रखे. don't remember, don't remember. रोज आप ही तो उठाते हैं. You always pick them up anyway. You always pick them up anyway. अब ढूंढने मत कहिए. Don't ask me to find them now. Don't ask me to find them now. तुम हर बात पर बहाना क्यों बनाते हो? Why do you always make excuses? Why do you always make excuses? गलती से हो जाता है. It just happens. It just happens. बहाना नहीं है, सच है. It's not an excuse, it's true. It's not an excuse, it's true. आप डांटते हो इसीलिए. You scold, that's why. You scold, that's why. दिमाग तेज है मेरा. I have a sharp mind. I have a sharp mind. कब किया बहाना, प्रूफ करो. When did I prove it? When did I prove it? इतना धीरे क्यों खा रहे हो? Why are you eating so slowly? Why are you eating so slowly? नींद आ रही है. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. भूख नहीं है. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. खाना गरम नहीं है. Food isn't hot. Food isn't hot. फोन पर वीडियो देख रहा हूँ. I'm watching a video. I'm watching a video. सोच रहा हूँ खाऊं या छोड़ दूँ. I'm deciding whether to eat or not. I'm deciding whether to eat or not. तुम होमवर्क कहाँ करते हो? Where do you do your homework? Where do you do your homework? स्टडी टेबल पर करता हूँ. On the study table. On the study table. बिस्तर पर लेट कर करता हूँ. On the bed. On the bed. कभी यहाँ कभी वहाँ. Sometimes here, sometimes there. Sometimes here, sometimes there. जहाँ मम्मी चिल्लाए वही. Wherever mom shouts from. Wherever mom shouts from. पहले मोबाइल पर सोचता हूँ, फिर करता हूँ. First think on phone, then do it. First think on phone, then do it. तुमने पापा से क्यों नहीं पूछा? Why didn't you ask dad? Why didn't you ask dad? डर लग रहा था. I was scared. I was scared. टाइम ही नहीं मिला. Didn't get the time. Didn't get the time. आपने ही मना किया था. You told me not to. You told me not to. अब पूछ लूं. Shall I ask now? Shall I ask now? उनका मूड सही नहीं लग रहा था. He didn't look in a good mood. He didn't look in a good mood. तुमने फ्रिज क्यों खुला छोड़ा? Why did you leave the fridge open? Why did you leave the fridge open? भूल गया बंद करना. I forgot to close it. I forgot to close it. मैंने खोला ही नहीं था. I didn't open it. I didn't open it. मुझे लगा बंद हो गया था. I thought it got shut. I thought it got shut. आवाज आई ही नहीं. It didn't make a sound. It didn't make a sound. फ्रिज ही पुराना है, खुद बंद क्यों नहीं होता? Freeze is old, why doesn't it close itself? Freeze is cold, why doesn't it close itself? तुम इतने गंदे हाथ लेकर क्यों घूम रहे हो? Why are you roaming with dirty hands? Why are you roaming with dirty hands? खेलने से आ गया. Got dirty while playing. Got dirty while playing. अभी तो साफ किए थे. Just wash them. Just wash them. पानी नहीं आ रहा नल में. No water in the tap. No water in the tap. मुझे गंदगी से डर नहीं लगता. I'm not scared of dirt. I'm not scared of dirt. अभी जा रहा हूँ धोने. I'm going to wash now. I'm going to wash now. तुमने मम्मी को सॉरी बोला या नहीं? Did you say sorry to mom or not? Did you say sorry to mom or not? हाँ बोला. Yes, I said. Yes, I said. नहीं बोला अभी तक. Not yet. Not yet. मुझे लगा गुस्सा खत्म हो गया होगा. Thought her anger is gone. Thought her anger is gone. मम्मी ने माफ कर दिया. अब क्यों बोलूं? She forgave me. Then why? She forgave me. Then why? दिल से बोला था, आवाज नहीं निकली. I said it from the heart, just no sound came out. I said it from the heart, just no sound came out. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.